Hello, everybody. All right, we're going to start going over what opportunities are setting up in the market, and I'll go over. This is the weekly. Then underneath that is the daily. So it's just weekly and then daily in the first column. Second column, I have tape reading chart and Renko, and I find them very very helpful, but they're not really used commonly. They're used in Wyckoff. The top chart was created by Wyckoff. The bottom chart was David did his thing, David Weiss, with the Renko with volume, and I modified it to be normalized using 1.1 times average volume, etc., etc. And then on the right hand side you have the same tape reading chart. Underneath that you have the hourly. Okay, but basically it's not nothing special. You just have a daily and an hourly, a daily and an hourly. Daily pullback, hourly change of behavior. Daily pullback, hourly change of behavior, and trigger to go long or short. That's it. The rest of the charts just allow me to kind of see within the candles and be able to detect accumulation and distribution, which I cannot detect on the fucking on the candle or bar chart. It's just you need these other charts to see it. Although I can't see it, you won't be able to see it either. Why? Because it's quantitative information. It's numbers. It's quantifying the volume. It's quantifying that. But when you look at a price chart, it's just the red or green. High, low, close, without qualifying the amount of volume in a particular level, so it's impossible to see it because you need volume at price and you need to then quantify that volume at price, and these bar charts don't give you that. Anyway, so what am I looking at here is really important right here right now. The pullback is occurring. It has occurred on the ES and on the indexes, and the pressure is coming in, but it's not on the hourly yet. It's more on the 5-minute. Look at this. This is the biggest, I think, 37 waves. All right, so the buying pressure did come in. It's not like it didn't come in. It came in, but the only thing is I need to see the hourly turn, because I don't know why, but it didn't have big price bars on the hourly. So that is not good. So, I mean, it is bullish right now, but it's just not bullish enough. I need to see a little bit more, and then I'll be very confident in a big move up. All right, by big move I mean a daily rally. Green day, green day, green day, green day for multiple. Green on a daily rally, you can make a significant amount of capital. It's not a 5-minute move on a 5-minute chart. It can initiate daily rally. Why it's important is because the market is in a spring position. Check your charts. Right now, market is in a spring position. It's springing this low. So it's in a spring position. So it needs to it needs to work. Otherwise, there's going to be a spring failure. So on the for the bullish case, you can see in the tape reading chart, price went down here on 1.5 volume and instead reversed back up on 2.8 times normal volume. What does that mean? It means you had effort and then you had a reversal. Effort here is bag holding, accumulation, and then you have a reversal, and now you have a retest of that area. So that's why this is a critical area, because it's basically accumulation area. And this is where the rally and the trend change occurred, but it occurred on a 5-minute. It's only somewhat there on the hourly, right? I want to see pressure on the hourly. Then I'll be very confident in that it's going to take out the highs, make a new high. And anyway, I just need a little bit more info, a little bit more data, and I'll be able to determine that. But the way you want to see this, market's pulling back. It's in a spring position. It's in a spring position, and it's a retest of an accumulation area. Again, it's in a spring position. That's a retest of accumulation area. How do you know it accumulated? Look at this chart. Goes down 1.5 volume, does nothing. Instead, it makes no progress on the downside. Instead, it reverses up on 2.8 times normal volume, and have a heavy volume here, which then gets retested. As it gets retested, bullish pressure comes in on the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, is that enough to change the intermediate hourly downtrend to an uptrend? That's what we're looking for. Okay. All right. So if it does, it's going to take out the high. So, you know, we'll just chill out, just wait, and you'll have your answers soon, probably tomorrow, and you'll know whether it's going to take out the high or not. If this volume picks up. Right now, it's not enough volume. It's bullish, but not bullish enough. All right. And what I mean by that, it's bullish to create a 5-minute little uptrend, but is it bullish enough to change the hourly and take out the highs on the daily? That'll be very worth it, because it's not a small move, it's a large move. All right, now on regarding oil. Oil is showing a lot of relative strength. You see, again, I've showed this the same thing. You have accumulation, and then you have a rally. Same thing happened on the ES, right? You have accumulation. This one is on 2 times normal volume, and a reversal on 3.2 times normal volume. Same thing, effort, and then bang. Bag holding, and then bang. Same thing. How do you know? Just look at the print. You have a lot of effort, no reward. Instead, you have a reversal in the opposite direction. What does that mean? It means someone was buying the pullback, and that's why there's a lot of effort, no reward, because of bag holding. They opened up the bag and let everybody sell into it, and then took the market higher. Then it retested, and it's continuing to go higher. So I'm looking for a pullback here in this area. This should be a nice area. So, I mean, we'll just see. Let's see, you know, how the pullback. Is there anything else that I see here? Not really. It's just an uptrend. It's going to pull back. It's going to give the opportunity. Let's take a look at the next market. Next market is gold. I'll show you again the same shit over and over again. I showed you already on 2 markets. This is the third market I'll showing you effort reward. Here it goes down on heavy volume. Is it 2.7 times, or actually I think it's more. This is, no, it's 2.7 times normal volume. This is the effort. And what happened? Reversal. This, you have the effort, then you have the reversal. So then it pulled back, retest, and went. So this is like a little case study I've shown you in the 3 markets in a row. This is gold. I show you the effort, 2.7 times normal volume, the big cyan blue on gold. Cannot take price lower, instead reverses hard with a big bar. What do you do? Buy the pullback. What happens after that? Initiate markup. So that's exactly what happened in the last 2 markets that I showed you, right? So now it's happening now in gold. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's just, I'm just waiting for a pullback. So this is the pullback area, which is the retested breakout. We'll see if it comes back. It should. I mean, it'll always come back, but right now it's just green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think about 8 green days in a row. So we just need, you know, a couple of days of a pullback, retest in this area. I'm looking for this area right here for buyers to get active. All right. So these are just some long opportunities. I also want to take a look at copper. So copper, the initial pullback, you know, it was a pullback. It didn't go to the level that I was expecting it to. It almost went. You know, if it went one or two bricks lower, then yeah, it would have been good, but it didn't, and basically just reversed. So I mean, nothing more to say. This might be setting up. You see the volume here? It's 1.6 times normal. There is some reward, but not a lot. It might pull back into this area. If it does, it might test this 393, and the buyers need to become active. And look, if you see the little dot here, that's 2 times normal volume. All right, so this is an area, and you'll see that, for example, if you have 2 times normal volume right here, almost two times and almost 2 times, like 1.9, this is the top. This is the top, confirmed by the reversal, which sets up the pullback, right? Now, blue dot, this is the bottom, which is confirmed by the reversal. Now you get the bottom. Here's the breakout, confirmed by the volume. You get follow through. Here, initiating the buying. Boom. Starting volume, continuing volume, ending volume again. You know, here probably some breakout. So this is why volume and these Renko charts are very, very helpful. So, you know, it just showed you the climax at the top and the bottom right now. Here's the climax at the top. Here's the climax at the bottom. Climax at the top sets up the move down. Climax at the bottom sets the move up. Here's the breakout on heavy volume, which sets the continuation. Here's the heavy volume reversal, which starts the move. Right? So, where was I? So I'm looking for this market to pull back and spring this area, and hopefully go to 393 for the pullback opportunity. All right? That's all I got. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.